Publishers may now allow advertisers to submit multiple files for the same ad. In order to do that, go to an existing or a new ad specification. Configure it as you would normally with your trim size and bleed, but scroll down to this new section to configure. You need to turn on this ability by clicking that box, and then you need to supply a minimum and maximum count for the pages. If you leave it at the default of 0 for both of these values, then the user could supply any number of pages. If you'd like to cap that at a maximum, let's say no more than 5, do this and the user will be able to supply anything from 1 to 5 pages. If you would like to specify that they always must submit 5 pages, set the minimum and maximum value to that same value. If you'd like to set a range, let's say 2 to 5, supply that and the user will get a pull down when they try to upload to this new ad spec. Let's see how that works for the advertiser. Here I've gone to the send ad form. You'll see I've selected our new multiple pages specification. When I choose my files, it will now give me a pre-screen where I'm able to select the number of pages that I'd like to supply for this. I'm going to supply 3 files for my ad. When I hit select files, I'll now be taken to the multi-file uploader where I can supply those pages. Now supplied my 3 file names, click upload. You'll see that each page will upload separately. Once the full file set has uploaded, it will refresh as you would normally see, and the files will begin processing. One difference you'll note is down at the bottom we have a page selector. These 3 pages belong together, and although they process as separate files, giving you different pre-flight reports, they are grouped together to allow you to view them as one unit. Once the ads have finished processing, you can review them as you would normally. Simply use the selector to cycle between the different pages. This new feature also works when creating an ad space reservation. Once you select this size, you'll be given the option to select the number of pages. Let's specify 4 here. Create our reservation. You'll see that the reservation form contains a selector with the number of pages. You can adjust that if you like. Let's say we actually meant to have 5 pages here. And when the user finally supplies the file by completing the form and selecting Add Materials, you'll see that the uploader respects the number of files that were supplied.